Here we come to the elevator at Bloomingdale's, King of Prussia Mall, King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. It's a Westinghouse. Go up to 3. Westinghouse from 1981. Let's get a cab view. I'm out of breath because I just ran here to get this elevator as quickly as I could. Here we are at 3. 1. Let's go back to 1. There's 3. The indicator's completely burned out. There's the fixtures, Westinghouse AE. And we're gonna send it up to 3 so we can get the machine room. If no one is here. Good. There's the fire alarm. It's right there. Machine room's right there. There's the elevator sign. First floor directory. Pause if you want to read that. And that's it.